Find the rank of each of the following matrices. Each of the following matrices. First question 1 0 0 0. So already it is in the equivalent form. Second row entirely 0. First row not equal to 0 row. It is not a 0 row, it is 0 row. So rank equal to 1 directly. Rank equal to 1. No need to do anything. If you want to do finding the determinant directly. So if you find the determinant, you will get a 0. Then you must take 1 by 1 square matrix. It is equal to 1. So rank equal to 1. Simply 2 rows. One is 0 row. Second another one non-zero row. Rank equal to 1. Next second 1 0 0 1. So it is already in the upper triangular matrix form. So 1 0. Second row, this element should be 0. Already it is 0. This is non-zero row. This is also not equal to non-zero row. Rank equal to how many non-zero rows? 1 2. Rank equal to 2. Next third 1 1 0 0. So this is also in upper triangular form. So upper triangular form. So here this element is equal to 0. If we observe, this is 1 0 non-zero row. This is 0 row. Rank equal to 1. Next fourth 1 1 1 0. Actually this element position won't be equal to 0. I want to change this one as 0 with the help of elementary operation. Changing R2 changes to R2 minus R1 with the help of this one. 1 1 1 minus 1 0 0 minus 1 minus 1. So before step it is 0, but after next step it is after elementary transformation it is minus 1. So this is non-zero row. This is also non-zero row. So even though it is 0, this is not equal to 0 or non-zero row. So number of non-zero rows equal to rank equal to 2. Next fifth question. 1 0 minus 4 2 minus 1 3. 1 0 minus 4 2 minus 1 3. Okay, now I want to convert this to equal to 0. R2 changes to R2 minus this is 2, this is 1. 2 into R1 1 0 minus 4 2 minus 2 0. This is minus 1. 2 into 0 0 minus 1 0 minus 1 minus 0 minus 1. Next 3 minus 2 into minus 4 plus 8 3 plus 8 11. So this is 0, but remaining not equal to 0. 2 non-zero rows, rank equal to. Next question number 6. So in the sixth question 1 2 6 2 4 3. So we need to convert this is equal to 0. R2 changes to R2 minus. So this is 1, this is 2. I want to cancel, multiply it to 2. So we are converting only this is equal to 0. 1 2 3 2 minus 2 into 1 2 minus 2 0 4 minus 2 into 2 minus 4 4 minus 4 0 3 minus 2 into actually this is 6 1 2 6. Okay, this is 3 minus 2 into 6 minus 12 3 minus 12 minus 1. Actually we are trying to convert this is equal to 0. This is automatically 0, but it is not equal to 0. Okay, if it is also equal to 0, then it is called 0 row. If at least one of them not equal to 0, then it is non-zero row. How many non-zero rows? 1 2. Rank equal to 2. Next, second bit, first question. 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0. Okay, so after one down one, these two should be 0. Okay, this is the diagonal limit, it won't be 0. So what I am doing, these two are interchanging. R2 interchanging R3. In determinants, if we are interchanging two rows or two columns, the sign of the determinant will be changed. But here we can easily interchange. So it won't be negative like that. So 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So here these three positions are 0. So it is in the equivalent form, upper triangle matrix form. So rank equal to how many non-zero rows? 1 2 3. So number of non-zero rows equal to 3. Next, second question. 1 4 minus 1 2 3 0 0 1 2. So we need these three elements should be 0. So first these two elements I want to convert 0. In this it is already 0. So this one I want to convert 0. R2 changes to R2 R1. This is 2. This is 1. Now it is also 2 minus R3. It is already 0. I don't want to change. So 1 4 minus 1 2 minus 2 0. Next this is 3 minus 2 into 4 minus 8 3 minus 8 minus 5. Next this is 0 minus 2 into minus 1 plus 0 plus 2 2. Again 1 4 minus 1 2 3 0 0 1 2. So 2 minus 2 0 3 minus 8 3 minus 8 minus 5 0 plus 2 2 0 1 2. Now I want to convert minus this 1 as 0 with the help of this one. So R3 changes to this is R3 with the help of R2. So this is 1, this is minus 5. This 5 right here plus. So 1 4 minus 1 0 minus 5 2. So 5 into 0 0 0 0. 5 into 1 5 minus 5 0. 5 into 2 10 plus 2 12. So this is not equal to 0. Number of non-zero rows 3. Rank equal to 3. Next question number 3. 1 2 3 2 3 4 0 1 2. So this is a matrix. I want to convert 2 0 1. These three elements position should be equal to 0. If we are observing this one, so 2 0 already it is 0. We need to convert this one only 0. R2 changes to R2 R1. This is 2. This is 1 2. Now it is balanced minus. So 1 2 3 2 minus 2 0 3 minus 2 into 2 minus 4 3 minus 4 minus 1. This is 4 minus 2 into 3 minus 6 4 minus 6 minus 2 0 1 2. So R2 changes to R2 minus 2R. Next we need to convert this is equal to 0. This is only 0. We need to convert R2 changes to R3 changes to R3 R2. So numbers same but size is different. So I want to add. So 1 2 3. This is 0 minus 1 minus 2. 0 plus 0 0. 1 minus 1 0. 2 minus 2 0. Actually we need to convert this is 0, but it is also equal to 0. This is completely 0 row. Non-zero rows equal to 2. So rank equal to 2. Next question number 4. Fourth question all ones. Okay, now I want to convert these. This one equal to 0, this one equal to 0, this one equal to 0. This one next step. First these two elements should be 0. R2 changes to R2 minus R1. R3 changes to R3 minus R1. Since it is 1, all these are equal. So 1 1 1 1 minus 1 0 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 0. Okay, so if we are converting these two elements are 0, automatically all these elements are equal to 0. Okay, now how many 0 rows? 2 0 rows. How many non-zero rows? Only 1. So rank equal to 1. Next, question number 5. 1 2 0 minus 1 3 4 1 2. Next, minus 2 3 2 5. Okay, since it is not a square matrix, it is not a square matrix. Okay, so the matrix of order 2 by 3 by 4, 3 rows 4 columns. Okay, so if we are leaving this row, leaving this column, so now it is square matrix. Which elements we need to convert 0? 3 minus 2 3. So these three elements we need to convert 0. First 3 minus 2, R2 R3. R2 changing R2 compulsory, R3 changing R3 compulsory with the help of R1. So since it is 3 1, balance 3. So same sign minus. For these two, this is 1 2 1, this is 2 1 2 right here, opposite sign yes. So 1 2 0 minus 1. These two elements are 0. Now 4 minus 3 into 2 minus 6. 4 minus 6 minus 2. Next 1 3 into 0 0. 1 minus 0 1. 2 minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3. 2 plus 3 5. Next, this element is equal to 0. 3. 2 into 2 4. 3 plus 4 7. Next 2. This is 2. 2 plus 0 2. Next 5. 2 into minus 1 minus 2. 5 minus 2 3. Next work out it. This is 3. 2 into 2 4. 3 plus 4 7. 2 plus 0 2 2 5. 2 into minus 1 minus 2 5 minus 2 3. Next, which elements we need to convert 0? 7. R3 changes R3 with the help of R2. This 7 we write here, this 2 we write here. Opposite sides we need to keep plus. So 1 2 0 minus 1 0 minus 2 1 5. This is 0. We are converting 0. 2 into 2 4. 7 into 1 7. 4 plus 7 11. 2 into 3 6. 5 7 into 5 35. 35 plus 6 40. Okay. Now it is in the echelon form, upper triangle matrix form. So if we are observing number of non-zero rows 1 2 3, rank equal to. Okay. Next 0 1 1 minus 2 4 0 2 5 2 1 3 1. So actually this element won't be 0. These two positions we need 0. So that's why I want to interchange R1 R2 or R1 R2. So I want to interchange R1, interchange R3. 2 1 3 1 4 0 2 5 0 1 1 minus 2. So this is equal to 0. So this is equal to 0. We need to convert this is 0. Already it is 0. So R2, changing R2 with the help of R1. This is 4. This is 2. So now I want to multiply with 2. So balance is minus 4 minus 4. So first row 2 1 3 1. Second row 4 minus 4 0 0 0 1 into minus 2 minus 2 0 minus 2 minus 2. Next this is 2. 3 into minus 2 minus 6. 2 minus 6 minus 4. Next this is 5. minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4, 5 plus 4 9. Next 0 1 1 minus 2. Next this element should be 0. R2 R3 change into R3 with the help of this one R2. So this is 1, this is minus 2. 2 right here, opposite sign plus. 2 1 3 1 0 minus 2 minus 4 9 0 0 0 2 minus 2 minus 2. So this is 2 into 1 2 minus 2 0 2 into 1 2 minus 4 minus 2 2 into minus 2 minus 4 plus 9 5. So these three elements are 0 equivalent form. If we observe non-zero rows 1 2 3, number of non-zero rows 3, so rank equal to 3. Exercise 3i related information. Homogeneous system of equations. So the system of equations is in the form a1x plus b1y plus c1z equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2z equal to 0, a3x plus b3y plus c3 equal to z equal to 0. So here a1x b1y c1z, there is no constant, the constant is 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2z equal to 0, a3x plus b3y plus c3z equal to 0. So these are the three linear equations in variables x, y, z. So these are called, two or more equations are called system. If it is only one equation, single equation. If it is two equations, pair of equations. If it is more than three or more, then all equations together is called system of equations. Homogeneous, the degree of each term is equal to 1, is equal. So the degree 1, this degree 1, this degree 1. So all degrees is equal to 1. So the degrees is equal to 1. This is homogeneous system. Okay, I want to write this one as in the matrix form a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 a3 b3 c3 into x y z equal to 0 0 0. So if we do product a1 into x plus b1 into y plus c1 into z equal to 0, a1x plus b1y plus c1 into z equal to 0. Second row only one column, a2 into x, a2x, b2 into y, b2y, c2 into z, c2z, a2x plus b2y plus c2z equal to 0. Second equation. This is the third equation, a3x plus b3y plus c3 equal to c3z equal to 0. So here it is zeros, all zeros. So this system is called a homogeneous system. Let us consider this is a coefficient matrix. Let us consider it is equal to E. This is variable matrix. We are taking it as capital X. This is a null matrix. I am taking it as 0. The system of homogeneous equations is in the form of Ax equal to 0. So this is the form of homogeneous system. So we need to find out the solution. So here the system of equations is in the form of Ax equal to 0 if rank A equal to 3, then the system has unique solution. The solution is trivial, that is x equal to 0, y equal to 0, z equal to 0. So this is the only solution. So if rank A equal to 3, then rank A equal to 3 means here how many unknowns, how many variables? 3 variables, and rank is also equal to 3. Then the system of homogeneous equation having only exactly one solution, that is x equal to 0, y equal to 0, z equal to 0. If rank A equal to 1 or 2 or less than rank A equal to rank A less than B, then the system of equations contains infinitely many solutions. So if the rank of A, this is the matrix A, the rank of A is equal to 3, then it contains only one solution, it contains unique solution. So the solution is trivial. The solution is trivial. So that is x equal to 0, y equal to 0, z equal to 0. If rank of A is less than 3, then it contains infinitely many solutions. So we need to discuss problems in exercise.